Changing the front tire of your riding lawnmower, you can absolutely do it as a DIY homeowner. Now, these are the simple tools that I use to get the job done. Now, there's a lot of different ways for you to do this to get this accomplished, so don't sweat the details. Now, let's let the video roll without any of that annoying commentary. I'm going to just let it go. Let the visuals speak for themselves. I'm trying to get you as many details as possible. Good luck. You can do it.
Flowers are a big hit. Big hit, man. Get it out of your hand.
Abby's in your backyard looking for their report.
It probably just because the kids are out. I don't know how far down they can all spell or whatever, but we had a
Abby, we're going in.
Now, I just want to jump in and say the next section I refilmed the next day. It gives more detailed instructions. It allowed me to fix a step I left out initially, but everything's good from here on out. So since this is a universal fit front tire for most riding lawnmowers, it's going to come with the bushings and washers to fit a 3/4 inch or a 5/8 inch axle. I'm working with the 3/4 inch, so it's a matter of determining which ones are the 3/4 inch. There's going to be 3 pieces we're concerned with, 2 of which depend on the width needed on the axle and tire. Those little nubs on the outside there are the grease ports for them. So the pieces with the little grease port there, you're going to put that on the side of the tire that has the air valve in it. The smaller flared end of it goes inside the tire. I'm sure there's a more technical term for that. And the other flat bushing is going to go on the inside of the tire. You need to install both on the inside and outside of the tire so it'll hold it to the axle so you don't get that wobble, which I made the mistake the first time. I only put one of them on there, and as I was riding the mower, I was like, boy, that front tire is wobbling quite a bit. It's because I forgot to put the second bushing in. Now, it's hard to tell in the video alone. While the tire is hugging that axle, it's a little tight. It's not spinning freely. So we're going to use one of these spacers that it comes with, the correct size, the 3/4 inch in my case. And that's going to give it just enough room so that the tire, while it's hugging that axle, there's enough space for it to clear and the wheel can spin freely, with plenty of space on the outside to put the other washer and the E-clip to hold everything down. Now, your replacement tire may have come with different parts, but they're all going to function in the same way, have the same kind of job. Hopefully, the way I showed it here, it can make sense with no matter what parts they give you for your tire. Let's make sure that E-clip is on, spinning freely. Yep.